boatyard, folks. Just gone past the sewage works as well, that smelled nice. Right, welcome back people. I hope everybody's doing alright. Just on my way to meet Graham from G-Force Riders. We'll be going out for a ride and finishing off at the Wellington Hotel in Howden, where one of the other group members owns a pub. Bikers are all welcome. Really friendly place. First day of opening today after all this lockdown business, so we're just going to show some support, call in for a coffee. These red lights are against me. The lovely town of Selby. Another red light. Hairdressers are open. Queue. Barbers. Right folks, going down Leeds Road. This is where all the posh people in Selby live. If there's such a thing. Right, so Graham gave me his address. Let me see if I can remember it. I'll probably rock up at somebody else's house. I believe Graham's got himself a new bike, Z1000. Where are you, Graham? Right folks, so we picked up Graham. G-Dog! G-Dog's in front! Got my headset playing music. Charles and Eddie. Would I lie to you, baby? Can't beat it. Yeah, I don't normally go riding out with people. Quite a solitary animal. Unless it's just me and my wife. So you never know what type of ride they want to ride. So I just ride my own. Got some interesting roads coming up. Oh shit. We got bikes. Where's all bikes? When we pulled in, cars were here, we're like, eh? It's up to you, why don't you want to? Yeah. that, people. What a view. Absolutely fantastic. I hope that come out clear enough for you. G-Force Graham. Oh, here he goes. There he goes and leaves me. I'll catch you up, Graham. I'll catch you up. Right, people, you join me in Cawood. Right, for those that have been following Mum's Ride, that will now be taking place on the 18th, 19th and 20th of July. I've had to change the route a little bit due to things being in lockdown. I was planning on going to Wales, but with everything what's been going off, I've decided to keep it, well, not so much local, but it will be taking place in the Dales, North Pennines, in the south of Scotland. All being well, Scotland opens its borders. Big plans for next year's ride. Hopefully, all being well, it'll be taking place in the Picos in Spain. That is the plan anyway.